Because it was pushing like 15 volts.
Right.
This is your fourth one.
Tested everything, the alternator and the battery. The alternator is like a little over a year. And the battery's
Power fell out last year. That was fucking. Tolerate the overcharge. So if it was 4 voltage hour,
No, it can't.